Welcome back to Ryconn Property Management. Are you considering how to effectively refinance your rental property? Join us as we cover this comprehensive guide. Refinancing your rental property can bring substantial benefits. You can secure lower interest rates, which means more of your payment goes towards owning your property, building equity faster. Refinancing allows you to adjust your loan terms to match your current financial situation. You can choose to pay more each month for a shorter time or pay less over a longer time. It's all about making your mortgage work for you. Here are the 6 steps to follow when refinancing your rental property. Building equity, gathering necessary documentation, comparing refinance rates, locking in your new rate, navigating the underwriting process, and finally closing the loan. Some other points to consider. Refinance costs are important to understand to calculate the break-even point between them and a lower interest rate. Tax deductions, items such as points and interest, may be tax deductible. Rental improvements. Cash-out refinance allows access to equity for enhancements. Lastly, investing. A rental property's equity can be a catalyst for more investments, such as other properties, diversification, or new real estate ventures. Ready to make the most of your property? Contact Ryconn Property Management for expert solutions. Visit our website or follow us on social media.